This Ferrari had been sitting here untouched for years. Time had slowly erased its presence. Inside, everything told a story of neglect. Even the heart had fallen silent. Rekelmingswartrons and shitsum summatardenensierides trimes and Harris trindum, or just severgartsu its trines tarchites. But beneath the dust, something special remained. The restoration was about to begin.
Years of neglect began to disappear.
Layer by layer, the truth revealed itself.
The Ferrari started to breathe again.
The Ferrari started to breathe again.
Every detail mattered.
Nothing was spared by time.
After years in darkness, it's ready to breathe again.
The heart needed care.
The heart needed care.
Cleaning was only the beginning. To restore it, everything had to come apart.
To understand it, we had to open it up.
Nothing had been touched in years. This was the heart of the legend. Time had left its mark everywhere. Slow movements. No rushing. Years of grime washed away. The wear told its own story. Even strength fades with time.
Preservation comes before restoration.
Had to be stripped bare.
The interior had to be stripped bare.
Nothing was hidden anymore. Nothing was hidden anymore. Every layer revealed the past. Now, the real work could begin. The body began to separate from the machine. Every layer revealed the past. This Ferrari was built with purpose, not comfort.
Every panel was lighter than it looked.
The heart was almost exposed. Nothing could remain attached. Nothing could remain attached. Every connection mattered.
Every connection mattered. It was time to lift the heart. It was time to lift the heart.
This was Ferrari engineering, laid bare. This was Ferrari engineering, laid bare. The silence felt different now. The silence felt different now. Now the rebuild could truly begin. Now the rebuild could truly begin.
Years of stillness had settled inside the engine.
Years of stillness had settled inside the engine. Everything inside showed its age.
Everything inside showed its age.
Cleaning is the first step to revival. Old parts give way to new life. Every moving part needed attention. Every moving part needed attention. Piece by piece, the heart returned.
Piece by piece, the heart returned.
Precision mattered more than speed. Every moving part needed attention. Power had to flow smoothly again. Every moving part needed attention.
Control is just as important as power.
Every moving part needed attention.
The foundation was strong again.
The foundation was strong again.
The most difficult work was behind us.
The most difficult work was behind us.
Every surface had to be perfect before color.
Every surface had to be perfect before color.
Every surface had to be perfect before color.
Preparation defines the final result.
Patience was essential.
Preparation defines the final result.
This was the moment it came back to life.
This was the moment it came back to life.
Sometimes, waiting is part of the craft.
Patience was essential.
The Ferrari revealed its soul.
The Ferrari revealed its soul.
Every detail found its place again. After years of silence, it lived again. Some legends are never meant to be forgotten.